Hello? Yeah, I just wanted to call you to say I want to be with you. Oh, it's recording! Oh, when did you press it?
I just pressed it.
Oh, okay, I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
I don't know, because I'm on your channel.
Yourself. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annika if you're new. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I have a guest here. Like my homegirl.
Paris.
Okay, so the video we're doing tonight, what time is it? Oh, it's after 12. Okay. We're doing the Instagram game. It's called Do or Drink. So basically it's common sense. I say something, she do it, vice versa, or she don't do it. She don't want to do it, she gotta drink. The same with me. So since she's a guest, she's gonna go first.
Oh wow. I just click anyone?
Anyone. Girl, don't be old in, cause I know you.
No.
Don't be old in. Okay, so wait, we're drinking today. I have the Amsterdam, this is watermelon, and she got the pineapple. You see her bottle compared to mine? Boy, yeah.
Oh wow.
Let's go.
Okay.
Pick one. My child. I'm scared.
Okay. Okay, alright. This one says, DM your last ex, or I still love you, or finish your drink.
Why you have to do that? I'm taking a shot. Okay, I ain't doing that. I am not doing that.
You know miss?
No.
No ex?
I don't miss none. No. None of them. Taking a whole shot.
Oh! You damn!
What is a shot?
You hate him?
I don't hate nobody, but I don't miss him.
That's a shot.
I'd rather do that
Then that.
do this.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that part. Oh, it's my turn. Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh. Shit, I don't know what to think. Oh, name at least 3 types of sex toys or drink 3 times.
The rose, a regular dildo, and a rabbit.
Why are you saying like you're not sure?
I'm sure.
She's saying a rabbit. Okay.
No drinking for me.
I mean, you're already drinking up anyway.
I like this game.
I bet you do. Yo, turns on her.
You didn't think I was gonna know those things?
What child?
Oh, it's a lot of DMing. You gonna have to just get drunk. Alright, I'm gonna do one for you. Name 3 sex positions or drink 3 times. This game is dangerous.
Sex positions. Missionary.
Oh.
Doggy style.
Oh.
And what the fuck?
Oh.
How another one?
Virgin Mary over here.
Well, please. Why can't I get another one?
I don't know, but you got one more. Oh, you gonna have to take 3 shots.
Can I look it up or not?
This is sex. You said doggy style missionary.
I don't.
Oh my God, Brandon.
I don't know.
I'm gonna give you examples. I ain't helping you. I just want you to drink. That's gonna be 3 drinks.
Positions.
Only 2 in this set.
Shanique.
Only 2.
Why can't I go with another one? I don't know. A Jamaican one. Lizard lap. Yeah.
What's that?
Ain't she Jamaican? Okay, guys, she's Jamaican, but she's Americanized. People be telling me Yankee.
Yeah.
But you wasn't born there.
Yeah.
You was born here. Yeah, she's a Yankee.
Yeah.
So she don't really know much about
Jamaica.
Jamaica like that. Yeah, you don't count.
But what the hell is that?
Lizard lap.
You come up with the hardest one for the 3rd one? You couldn't ride? Oh! What is that you just said though?
How the hell I forgot that one?
That's all you want to give me an example? I was gonna start bouncing. What is that you just named?
It's a Jamaican. Okay, wait, hold on. Honestly, I don't
remember,
but I know the name. Let me
did
see
it
if I look for it. I probably did, but to be honest, I don't know how it go. It says both of you are sitting in the bed facing each other, and the female legs are on top, wrapped around him. That we call lizard lamp. I heard of the term, honestly, but I never really. I don't think I did this before. I don't remember. No, I did that before. I'm lying. I did that before. But yeah. She said, what that you just said? Ooh, child.
I don't like this game.
You said you like this, so now tell you.
When it's my go.
Huh? Oh, I gotta find one. I'm trying to find a good one. Oh, here's a good one. Text a random phone number you up or drink twice. A random phone number. That means, I guess, put in a random number in your phone and text it and say if you're up.
Anybody?
No, not nobody in your phone. A random number. I'm looking at this. She do it. Just type any number in this.
Oh my god.
I say you up? Yeah, this is funny.
Oh my god, he got an iPhone.
That's good. You can see if you read it or not. You heard that? Ooh, that means sent. Okay, moving on. Let's say we're gonna move on until the person reply. That's the part of the game, girl. It's part of the game.
Oh god, it's delivered.
Go on, it's your turn.
It definitely is. It definitely is.
Girl, she's trying to get me. This one, this Amsterdam tastes good though. They're gonna be like, who this?
And it's 12 o'clock too. They're gonna think it's a booty call. This is.
Yo. Why my shirt look purple?
Oh, perfect. Your shirt, right?
My shirt look purple.
Take off 3 clothing or finish your drink.
I'm gonna finish my drink. I'm not doing that.
You pulled it for
Put on my glasses.
You could have took off a sock. It said 3 clothing though. You ain't fully clothed.
Right. Yeah, I got a short shirt and
Pum pum shorts.
It's not pum pum shorts. It's beach shorts. Exercise shorts. See it? But I'm gonna drink.
I'm not drinking.
She's trying to do it. Cause like I said, she feels I'm already. That's what she's doing.
I was chasing that. You taking shots. Who is this person? All right.
I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna have a good sleep tonight. That's all I do. Okay. Oh, it's my turn?
Yeah,
all
easy one, right?
You can get no easy one.
Watch it.
Watch me and you. Okay. Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh no, that's probably Facebook. Please be Facebook. I don't know you. Not him.
Oh, I thought it was a text back. That'd be crazy.
Oh,
I got one for. Alright, so it says, reveal to everyone how many people you slept with.
Oh!
Or how many people, wait, can I finish?
Okay.
Reveal to everyone how many people you slept with. Or drink 4 times.
4?
That's what it says.
Bro, come on.
If anyone correctly calls bullshit on you, finish your drink. Well, yeah. So either you tell me,
so
be honest,
what
girl.
would be 4 shots?
Yeah.
No, let's do something like.
It's a 4 shots, girl.
1 shot equal 2.
No. 4 shots.
Alright, but I'm gonna ask you to shot. That's gonna be the whole thing.
We got look at right here.
You're a bad influence.
I'm not a bad influence.
Can it be like that?
I guess. But 4 of them.
So that's 1.
Yeah, no, drink and then pour. Then drink and pour. She trying to get away. She think she's slick. She ain't trying to tell you.
I don't know. Alright, 1,048. Oh.
She said 1,048. You a miss. How much was that already? 2. That was 2?
No, that was 4.
No.
4, right, y'all?
No. How much did you drink? This is
4.
second cup. You pour. The second cup. I will see you on the thing. I'm gonna edit.
I don't want to be here though.
That's 2.
I I got one for you.
Yeah.
That's not nice.
This video.
Now, I did go to my GYN. And she was like, how many you have? This one I was a little young. I'm like, not many, about 10. She said, that's not many. I was like, oh, guess I'm a hoe.
What? Wait, what? Okay.
I told y'all too much?
Yeah.
And if that was when I was young, imagine now. Yeah.
That was 4?
Yeah, that was 4.
I will see in the
You
camera.
gonna see.
Yeah, I'm gonna see.
I feel it. That was 4.
She said that was 4. It's not even finished. How is it 4 when it's not even finished? Child.
Pee in the sink. Do this. Take 2 shots. Or quit playing.
You said pee in the sink.
In the sink.
Why the hell would I pee in the sink?
Oh, no sink?
No sink. I'm not doing that.
Look like you got a drink. You're gonna be sleeping good tonight.
I am. No, I'm talking about half because it's gonna finish quick.
Oh, now she gonna do half. Who rapes you? That's the Jamaican in you all the way.
No, I'm not even a drinker. Because I
That's
don't
why
wanna
I'm like, who am I sitting by?
Because I don't want to do the things. I am going to drink.
You sure you going to sleep?
I am going to go to sleep. Trust me.
Oof.
First of all,
to you.
peeing in the sink is not sanitary. That's
It
disgusting.
is.
How is that sanitary?
Because your pee is burning. And you gonna disinfect that whole sink.
burning.
Burning pee.
No.
Like you could pee on the wound?
If your pee burn, that's not good.
No. When you pee, it's gonna burn that chemical. You don't need AJ. You should never bring me on your channel, bro. It's like a kicking in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That was good.
You don't need Ajax. What?
You don't need AJ when you got pee.
You is some. Yes, actually, you do.
You scroll all the way down.
All at the bottom. Tell your story of how you. I'm glad you didn't give me this one. Not. Tell your story of how you lost your virginity or drink 3 times.
I gotta tell y'all this nasty. You ready for it?
It's up to you.
It's
Tell it or
nasty,
drink 3
bro.
times.
I lost my virginity on the couch on my period. I'm done. I'm tired of this YouTube. You ready to go?
You did what?
I said I lost my virginity on the couch on my period. So I don't know if my cherry popped or not because he had a little thing. And the second time I had sex in my life, I was bleeding. So they should tell my business out there.
You choose to do it. You could have drink if you wanted to.
3 shots? You have to drink. I ain't playing fair no more.
I like this game. It's getting fun.
Let another player give you a wedgie or take 2 shots. Boom, boom, short skirt. You ever had shitty booty?
When you take a shit, yeah. Everybody got a shitty booty.
Get a wedgie or take 2 shots. I love giving wedgies, so.
Oh, child, I'm scared. 2 shots.
What is called when it's too tight? And you catch a
Yeast infection. Oh, hell no, I'm drink.
2 shots. I literally love this top, bro.
Feelings.
Ooh.
My feelings. Oh my gosh.
I'm so mad he coming.
Let's look up at my feelings. Huh?
I'm so mad he coming because I'm enjoying myself.
What time you talking?
I said give me 20 minutes. What's your channel? What's your name of your channel? Was it Ann, okay?
Life as. I changed it.
Life as Ann?
Anna K.
Ooh. That's nice. Life as Anna K. Life as Anna K.
Yeah.
That is mad nice, bro. That is nice. Like, wow. No, for real. I'm blushing.
You watching my videos and you don't know my channel?
Oh, shit. No, fuck that. I just watched them shits. I know who you are.
She really be watching it though. I be
Shit, I was stalking you.
I was stalking you. Anyways, take a selfie. Post it on Instagram with a caption. DM me to get freaky tonight or finish your drink. Shanika, you could do that. What you want to drink? You could do that.
I'm tired of that.
Tired of what? Taking a selfie?
Take a selfie on Instagram. I don't want to be on Instagram.
DM me to get free tonight or finish your drink.
You know how many people want? They'll think I'm a whore. Finish this.
Oh shit! That's not even nothing. Listen, you gonna add some of this. That's not.
I'm trying to think you're a bad influence.
I'm not a bad influence, but ain't shit in there. Look, nothing in there. So okay, pour it and you will see. Not even a shot.
Oh, that's mad liquor.
Look at this shit she talking about. That's mad liquor. There's nothing in there. So we're gonna add some of this to it. Look a bit. Just look a bit. Okay.
Your shit nice and frozen.
It's good though.
Yeah.
When it's finished, we're gonna finish the game. Oh, excuse me. I'm edit that out. I'm not giving that in. You want like I'm not editing it. I'm not editing it out.
This is NK life.
Yo, liquor really be making you feel good though. No lie. Like,
I'm really having fun though.
Yeah, you do it. You need it. You do
Thank you for accepting me back.
Oh, child. Here she goes.
Guys, we're gonna do that.
You not finna, yeah.
Just know Anna K got a great heart, alright? Don't ask for her, period. Don't step on her shoes.
Listen to her.
Listen deep. I freaked that up. I almost lost this girl for life. Don't do it. Don't play with her a little bit. Next.
Period.
Take a shot for that too.
Alright.
Felt like I lost a cat or some shit. Oh. Put your hands down your pants and rub your genitals. Let the player Christmas smell your fingers. Both of you.
No, sir.
Oh, I should have read this. Oh, wait. It said both of you must do it. Take a shot or quit.
Look, we gonna take a shot.
I'm a little funky.
Bro, this is her all the time, bro.
You know, it's crazy when I do this in public. People be like, I guess
They
they don't
believe
know
you.
me. Mm-hmm.
They believe you. Yeah.
When I was hanging, I don't fuck. You don't gotta edit this part. When I was hanging out with that cross-eyed bitch, I used to do that, and they used to pull her to the side like, is she serious?
She's a Sagittarius.
What's your sign? You my grandma's sign.
What's your grandma's sign? I'm a Gemini.
Oh, you're not a May. You're May.
I told you.
May 26.
Yes. She act like she don't know me. Like, girl.
I suck with birthdays. You take a shot?
I just did. When you told it to me, I just did. I feel good. I know I'm going to sleep tonight.
Why did I get this?
This is bomb, right? This is
yes.
Because I always get this one too. I always get the pineapple. But I switched it on. Let me try something new because I love watermelon too.
Way better than this shit. This shit harsh and it's hurting my stomach. Why you have 4 passwords?
What do you mean 4 passwords?
You have the same thing. You don't need that. You don't need this.
Oh, this?
Yeah, I need that.
Oh, do you have it on there?
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah, show me my phone. I'm about to do that. I swear to God.
Turn the light down.
I swear to God. As soon as we got to see mine.
Look crazy.
Oh, can you see it?
No, turn it down. You gotta turn it down.
All the way down? They could see it. I can't even see my battery. I don't know if my phone dying. You think it's a game? Shit. I probably gotta get my numbers up again because I need to see it.
I should look crazy. They got black. What's that black thing? What's that? How
you know, cause my ass so fat and I'm sitting on it while it's in my back pocket, so it's like.
She don't got no ass. I don't know what you're talking about.
You're right.
Yo, you something else. Okay.
You're right.
Oh, child, I'm woozy.
Who is it? Oh, that's mama.
Huh?
It's a beach.
What? Where? Oh yeah, that's my mom and my son. They was on the beach. My sister took them there. Coney Island Beach, I think. Yeah.
Ah! Get on YouTube.
I know, right? I just saw a message came through. You know, we ain't got checky.
Oh!
Got a date tomorrow.
Oh! Period.
We
go on dates.
Yes, we thought we go on dates.
She go on dates.
She said she going.
And she motivating me because at the end of the day, these niggas ain't shit.
Period.
Ain't no Netflix and chill. No, take me out on a date.
Yeah, them bright.
Right. That's what I did on the train.
Yo.
It's like once I hear the accent, I repeat it.
Oh yeah, what you did to the guy on the train?
No.
You said Wait, he said this was a Jamaican guy. A little story. It's on this video, but a little story. I'm drunk as fuck. What the guy, Jamaican guy, he said,
You don't know.
He said, go in that trend, and she mocked him right in front of his face.
I think it sounded so sexy. But he probably was like,
yeah, she said that should turn me on.
Yeah, he probably was like, girl, you mimicking me. Me to be Jamaican, I don't eat the spicy.
You don't eat no spice? I mean, I eat spice once in a while, not all the time.
Really? I would thought you would be.
I don't eat jerk chicken.
Yeah, but I say when you made a jerk.
But no, they have two different flavors. They have mild and spicy. So I did try the spicy one before, and that shit was too hot. But
seasoning?
Yeah, the seasoning, jerk seasoning. Well, yeah, back to the game. But I was just sitting there with the guy. She mocked the guy on the train.
That was her fault.
How was that my fault?
I don't know. I felt tough around you.
Yo, all of us going to the train, and the guy was by the car. He was telling somebody. He said, go in that train. Yeah, go in that train. Like, that should turn me on as fuck.
Stop!
Yo, I was like, I said, now you mocking him.
I don't recall.
Right in front of his face. You're mocking me, no? Right in front of his face.
I don't recall.
Sure.
We are hot, and it's the liquor.
It is the liquor.
It's the liquor.
But we're not open, so.
Ooh, stop talking like that, please.
Why?
Please. Please.
How do I? It is.
Please.
Get back to the game.
Get back to the game.
Yeah, I don't even know. Was my time? Mm-hmm. To give you, or I don't remember.
It was, because mine was a smell of panties, and we both had to smell each other. And I had a long day.
Them brights. It is.
Them brights. Stop talking like that, please. It's like I have to say it and then I get horny. It's
Oh, where did they get out?
Stop, please.
Alright, listen.
Battery.
Shanique.
And you did that. I love that. And
10%. What?
oh my God, I have to come over and love that. That.
No, my son gave me that. That was so. He gave me for Thanksgiving. That? Yeah, he wrote that. That's what I'm writing. I don't know.
And the painting?
Yeah, he did that at school. I was like, oh, my son think I'm perfect, but I'm not. But as long as he think I'm perfect.
Let me tell you something.
As long as he thinks I'm
perfect.
I'm not perfect.
Nobody's perfect. But as a mother, you do your thing. Hands down.
Of course, you're supposed to.
Hands down.
You're supposed to. Even if you don't live with me.
Hands down.
I have to make sure my son is good. I have to be a mother before everything.
Period.
All right, my turn. Wait, what?
What you got for me, friend?
Ooh.
Good friend of mine.
I got a new one.
That won't do me like that.
Ooh,
I look so shiny.
I look so shiny. Now go for call your ex and tell them you want to get back together. Look at her texting.
Oh, I got pee. I'm listening. Oh, I got this one. I heard ex.
Call your ex
I'm with
and
it.
tell them you want to get back together. Do this or take 2 shots or quit playing.
Should I call him?
It's up to you.
This is gonna be so embarrassing.
Put on speaker.
I am.
She really calling him.
And this the ex that got my name tatted. He gonna shit on me.
She gonna put your business on YouTube?
Yeah.
It's at the 12. About to be 1 o'clock in the morning now.
He not. I'm scared because he was. What does that have to do?
Call your ex and tell them that.
Oh, cool. He not answering. So what I do now?
To get us together, do this. I mean, you called them, so I think that counts. So she did it, so she didn't answer, but she did it.
Name tatted on.
I know if I call my ex, he would answer because he's desperate.
I bet you got that oxtail. Fuck.
Because he fucking
no fun shit and probably give you this much foot. It's you past that.
They be knowing, but they still fucking up.
Don't keep looking at my goal.
And then they come back. Like, don't come back. Stay where you at.
Stay where you at.
Stay where you're dead.
Stay where you're dead.
I'm gonna bring her on my channel more because she's funny. Especially when she's drunk.
Oh, thank you. Before aggressive drunk. I'm glad I'm this. I really respect Ann all the way.
Bro, she's drunk right now.
It says no, that's the real. The truth come on when you're drunk. She's a great mother and I respect her. I freaked up with her. I ain't doing that never again. Never say never. I'm not doing that again.
I give people this much chances to
Literally.
fuck up and come back.
But she give you a chance after you. But it's the smallest. Just don't do it with her.
Don't do it. No, don't do it.
Just don't do it with her.
Yo, I'm drunk. People really talk their shit when they drunk. That's the crazy part.
DM your crush or finish your drink.
I'll text him.
Please do. Action.
Honestly, really do I have a crush or he have a crush on me?
Who?
My date tomorrow. I guess you call my crush. But
you giving somebody a date?
I'm gonna text him. He actually just texted me. I didn't really reply. Look.
Nice. The last text was what you doing, y'all. It was one before that, but I can't tell you.
Yeah.
Mind your business.
Okay, I'm alright. Cause I do YouTube too.
Wait, what was the question though? Text your.
I texted making a YouTube video with my.
I was supposed to text your mom or dad. I got 2 grams for $40. That'd be some shit.
What's the father that? My father would go crazy.
Your father in Jamaica?
No, my father's here.
Hey,
Yes.
Queen. We're gonna have to edit a lot. I'm really having fun with you, Aaron.
Look at this right here.
Who's this?
Who's what?
Your twin.
Guys, I'm about to punch her.
No?
No, that's me. She's drunk as fuck and she don't recognize me. I really can't even really see y'all. My eyes is like.
Well, I was close.
Why does Twitter do that to you, bro? That's me.
Tune in, like and subscribe. And a K.
This video long. Okay, we're about to wrap this up because she
we gonna wrap it up.
She ODing.
We got a lot though.
We did. Okay, wait. But let's finish it. I want to finish it.
Period.
What's the next one? Is your turn or mine?
Probably mine. No, mine was being. See, I said I wasn't gonna do that again. Y'all see this?
Okay, I got one for her. Call a pizza place and ask if they can make you a pizza in the shape of a penis or finish a drink. I think you should call Dominos. Use my phone. You should call them.
How you put the Siri?
That's how you know I'm drunk.
How you put a Siri on?
I don't know.
Hey Siri.
So go pee. Hurry up.
Oh, I love this. I don't want to leave. I want to pee right here. Put
Don't forget the tissue. Yeah.
The nearest.
I don't know. Okay. I'm about to look it up for her because this girl. Pizza place. Domino's. I'm about to type in Domino's. I don't know if Domino's is open. You wash your hand? Hey, girl, you wash your hand?
Right.
Oh, that's in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Not me leaving my jeans in the bathroom.
You change.
You wash your hand?
Yeah. I normally don't, but since I'm at your house. Hi, guys.
Okay, call Domino's. Use my phone and call Domino's.
Alright, I'm ready. I ain't about to take no more shots.
Call him.
This ain't right.
On speaker.
Please note, if you'd like to pay by credit card, please have your credit card ready for verification when the delivery driver arrives. Thank you for choosing Domino's Pizza.
This video is almost 40 minutes.
I'm so scared of shaking.
That's what I want to open on the phone. What time is it?
Brownie. It's
4:54.
Milk chocolate.
Hello, can you make a piece of like a penis? Can you make a piece of the shape of a penis?
Yeah.
Thank you. I love penis pizza. It was professional though. Yeah. Click. Wait.
He hang up on her.
He said, yeah. I guess my penis pizza coming. I did it though. You can't lie. I did it. Was not taking no fucking shot.
You did it. Yo, the man hang up before.
He said, yeah. Click. You better make my penis pizza. My go. You did it. Alright. I'm gonna make sure you take them last fucking.
You can't murder. Yo.
You got a banana in here? A plantain?
The man hang up before.
She really fuck you.
That was so funny.
All
I'll
right.
hang on the phone. Lord Jesus. Yo.
It's cool. It is cool. Do you have a banana in this house? I'm getting mad.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes.
I got one.
Ooh, child.
Ooh, child. Make your butt cheek jiggle like a porn star or finish your drink. They said like a porn star.
Did finish this? Oh, just finish the shot. What do you mean?
You got body out here.
I'm not doing that. I mean, I do that. No, I'm not doing that. Alright, so I'm gonna finish the whole this. This is gonna be the last one. Fuck it. Okay. Lord Jesus. I'm done. Whew.
How did that feel?
Yo. I'm gonna say I sleep good tonight. I am sleeping good tonight. Okay? Period. But yeah. Okay, guys, so it's it.
That's not him. That's Facebook. I almost spit my whole drink out.
Why?
Remember that? Good tonight. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Okay.
She not talk patois, so she not. You
Patois, no.
You understand what I'm saying?
When I'm really mad. Yeah, slow.
Oh, okay.
You know what's crazy?
I talk fast?
English, you talk fast as hell.
No, but people be saying that I talk fast in patois.
You talk fast in English. Meet you where? What? Text me. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this.
No, but no, usually people tell me something talk fast in a patois, not English.
Say something in a full sentence.
In patois? Eh?
Eh? Let me prepare myself. Alright. I'm patois already.
I don't even know what to say. Hold on.
Something.
I'm drunk.
It gotta be a full sentence, and that was.
I love chicken.
You're drunk. You're drunk. Me love chicken?
Yo, this shit is done.
Did she just say me love chicken?
I'm saying, oh, fake she sound. She did born here, yeah. She
Say something, I'm gonna say it back to you.
You know what? We're gonna do a Jamaican translation thing. I'm gonna learn her. I'm gonna teach her
me
some Jamaican shit because
please
she has a lot.
What you said?
The fuck? He calling that phone?
Yes. Perfect.
Is that him?
That's it. Hello? Yeah, I just wanted to call you and say I want to be with you.
What?
I want to be with you.
I don't know what the fuck you talking about, girl.
You don't want to be with me?
No, what the fuck?
I love you.
Speak your mother. No! She said, what he said? He said no.
No, what the? I don't know what you're talking about. That's embarrassing.
Wait, did he hang up?
I hung up on him.
Oh, okay. You want me to post this?
Fuck you. You got your part.
You want me to post?
Niggas don't love me. He don't love me anymore. And he texted me.
So
He gonna be like, you drunk?
wait,
You
Shanique,
want me to post this?
Shanique, you want me to post this or not?
Ew, and a nigga from Canals, he's text me. I'm gonna show you my Obama phone. Damn, his number gonna show though.
Yeah,
You could block that out. His number.
Yeah, I could skip it.
Nigga text back after that call. What's wrong with you? Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
So I'm guessing she want me to post it. Yo, Shanique, you something else.
No, you're something else, bro. Post that.
I'm gonna. Okay, I'll post it.
Fuck.
Since you say I'll post it.
Post that. I don't know that this nigga's so fluffy. Even with my name on it. Most I would still you drink.
Now she about to go with her sugar daddy.
Oh, kiss my ass. Where my hookah? Where my hookah? I like to be in NK world.
Oh, that was my first name, right? Annika World.
What is it again? Life as NK.
Yes. Crazy.
All right,
yeah.
go. Get on.
All right, guys. Bye.